Hello friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darci, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it look so elegant. So today I'd love to show you this really easy breakfast item that will be done in less than 30 minutes. So these are the ingredients which I'll have listed in the description box below, but pretty much it's just garbanzo bean flour, almond flour, coconut flour, and of course coconut milk and spices. So these are just the ingredients that I'm going to be putting into this mixer here and have it completed, baked in the oven for 25 minutes at 325 degrees. So let's get started with this recipe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos. Also, I'm including some healthy lifestyle in preparing healthy meals on regular basis now. Now, as you can see, I have all the ingredients here. I'm going to be putting them together in a mixer. First, the dry ingredients I'll mix together, and then I'll put the milk and mix that together and kind of do a little bit of dough. As far as the flour, different flours and seasoning, put it together as a dough. And then I'll put it into this baking tin here for 25 minutes at 325 degrees. So let me go ahead and get started. Thank you also for watching, and let's go through the process in just a few more minutes. All the ingredients are in, so now I'm putting everything in the oven, 325 degrees for 25 minutes. So let's go to the oven and put everything in, and then we'll just wait for 25 minutes and see what it looks like after 25 minutes. Oven. "25 minutes, 325 degrees. So here we are 25 minutes later and everything is baked. This is an easy breakfast that you can prepare the day ahead, and in the mornings when you're rushing off to work or school or to the gym or golf or wherever you heading to, you can just have a cake with some protein and some fruits and a cup of tea, and you are ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's a really easy breakfast item. That the nice thing about it, it can be prepared a day ahead, 2 days ahead. Just keep it in the refrigerator if you plan to use it longer than 2 days, and then or in the freezer for that matter, and they're always ready when you're ready. So again, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that is if you have not already done so, and if you have, I just want to say a special thanks to you. I'm always very appreciative of your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.